All right, sir.
Bastard, get off my property and don't come back again.
All right.
I'm serious. You don't get to walk around here and act like you own the damn place. I bought the place, not you.
Yes, sir.
Stay the hell off my property.
Will do.
Get the hell off my property. Stay off my property. No, I don't. You're on my property. Get the hell in your truck again. No. Get off of my property. Now. I don't give a damn. You guys are a bunch of pricks. You know what's going on now? It is your business. You made it your business.
All right, you have a good rest of your day, all right?
Don't come back. Yeah, you guys are a bunch of pricks coming in here.
Okay.
You know what's going on now?
I don't indulge myself in your own paperwork,
Well,
okay?
maybe you ought to figure out what's going on.
It's not my business. You have a good rest of your day, okay?
You made it your business.
All right, you have a good rest of your day, all right?
Don't come back.